Hello everyone, it's your girl Petronella and welcome back to my channel. I want to thank my daughter. She's in the kitchen. I'm going to set my camera in there. And what I want to do is I have this. Let me show you guys. I have this spray. I don't know if you can see this one. Okay, this spray it's the spray that you spray after you done your makeup. When you're done with your makeup and then you spray it. This is the spray. So I'm going to pretend like I sneezed on her face just to get a reaction. So stay tuned. How was the taste today? I know. Oh my goodness. La 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 la. Mama! Sorry. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry. It's too much. Sorry, you know I have. You know this floor. Do you want to burn down this house? Oh, this smoke. For what? Freezer.